All right. It's your boy PFS Tib from Deep South Trading LLC. This video is for your entertainment and education purposes only. Alright, so here's the skinny. Ended up losing that first Apex 150K account I had this morning. I had 2 days where I had some losses of about 2,000. I just couldn't recover from the drawdown today. I overtraded. Took about a $1,500 loss and I hit my drawdown. Well, last night I decided to go ahead and get a second 150K account. So we're back to day one again. As you can see, I made $967.24 on it. So that's what our Trader Pro is showing. Let's see. Here we go right here. So it's showing my auto liquidate is 145, 967.24. So I must have not had any. It must not come against me much. You know, my trail and hardly any trail and drawdown is what I'm trying to say. All right. As you can see here, this is the account I blew today. All right. Enough of that. So let's look at a couple of trades on ES that I took this morning. For some reason, I don't know why, I wanted to go long right after the market opened. I think this one it was. I'm not sure. Let's see what time it says. Yeah, 9:33. Let's open this up a little bit. So basically, was just having some consolidation here. What I should have done was drew a box like so and waited for a breakout to go short. Had a meeting with my coach. I'm going to start doing more of this and also start journaling each day. So I took that long. I think it was around 4,003.75. Took a stop at 1.25. Didn't take the whole 5-point stop. I'm trying to move my stops a lot tighter. That way I'm not getting into that drawdown. Then I took another short at 93.50. Alright, that was in, what was that at? This area right here. And I got out at 88.50. So I got 5 points on that. That was a $500 move. So I guess I was on 2 contracts. Could have took it for a lot further, as you can see here. I just need to learn to trail this 9. ES follows it pretty closely. NQ sometimes goes over it. I wasn't going to do NQ trades, but let's take a look at NQ. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let me get the account set up here. Put our price markers on there. Alright. Alright, so NQ. So I took a short at 788. Should have been probably around in this area here. Looks like I was a little late to the party for some reason. 788.25. Can't really see the air. Oh, there it is right here. So 788.25, and then my stop was at 787.25. So I just made a point. So that was 40 bucks. Then for some reason I decided to take this long. I have no idea. I mean, the background was red. And this is what I'm talking about. My over trading. This is what's killing me. This is what you call an account killer. I mean, ADX was green. We broke above the 15 line I got here. So that's telling me that we're probably going to start, trending a little bit. Here's the DMX. I mean, there's nothing here that says go long. Okay, this is previous day's value area low right here. This is negative SD1. I think this is VWAP. There's nothing here that says to go long. And why in the world do I keep trying to counter trend? I have no idea. I need to go back to recording my trades also. I failed to do that today. My regression channel is down. We are going short. I mean, this is telling me, go short, go short, go short. So, all right, enough of that. Quit beating that dead horse. All right, so I took that long, and I got a big stop out. I got a $440 stop out on it. Okay. Then, 939, I got short at 763. That was over here. Okay, this makes some sense. I mean, we dropped right down below SD2. What we at here? 763? Yeah. And then I rode this baby almost 10 points down to 754. After this trade, I was only down $40 on NASDAQ. Then at 944, and these times are Eastern. At 944, I got in at 735, which was here. That's a little late to the party. I should have been in actually underneath this bar here. Should have been in right here. So 42. I was 7 points late to the party. But anyway, I rode this one down from 735 down to 714.75, which is a good area because we've gotten chopped. Here would have been another good entry here. And if not, your 8's not pointing down that much, but here would have been a good entry for the 8. And as you can see, our ADX reloaded, and boom, off to the party. That would have been a really good trade. Okay. Let's go back and look at some of this at 934. So here's on a 1597 tick chart. We put our trades on this one too. So entry here would have been good. There's another entry here, another short entry here. I mean, I really like this. I really like this entry here. Didn't get no dots, but you got a really good entry. I mean, this is a game changer. 2, 4, 6 contracts. I mean, you're changing your life right here. Do we get this every day on NASDAQ? No. Okay. All right. So, homework. I've got to start doing my daily journal sheets that Coach has given me. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to see next week, by this time next week, where I'm at. What's happening. See if I'm journaling. I also need to journal my emotions, she said. So we're going to see. I got a little book. I'm going to start putting that in there. All right. This video is long enough. If you got any questions, hit me up. Options are going really, really good today. So let's see. Let me show you guys. While we're here, let's look a little bit at options, okay? Since we're talking about it. All right, so you can see this call, this 39.50 call credit spread. So that was in this area here when it gave a signal. Might have actually been about here. So I was just simming that trade. I sold it. And let me see if I still got this up here. Yeah. So I simulate this is just sim because I'm testing this out, this setup on options. So I'd have sold it at $3.35 and I wanted to buy it back at $2.01, which would have been $2. Okay, and as you can see, it's down to 70 cents right now. I'm only looking for 40% profit on these trades, and then if I let them go $2 against me and get out. But as you can see on the SPX, we had a lot of good entries today. You know, I think I did take a put credit spread here. I think it got into profit maybe 50 to 70 cents, and then price came down. I don't know why I wanted to do a put credit spread. We were going down. I should have waited for the next short entry. But anyhow, like I said, that's the contrarian in me. And as you can see, I mean, it's been down since the gates opened. I mean, if you'd have bought, could have bought a call credit spread here. Could have bought one at the previous day's low. You know, we came back. You're right underneath S1. Boom, boom. Probably could have got 2 or 3 in this area. You know, here's a good area where I'd had to draw in a box because we were just kind of chopping. Chop, 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 chop. Come on, give me a box. Let's see what we got. So I'm gonna get down to the sorry about that. If you wait for a 2-bar close, you know, if you'd have shorted here, you took a little heat, wait for it to come back to, you know, this area here, and boom, down she goes. Let me see. On one of them, I have the VWAP on there. It must be this one. Let's see. This is another good chart I like to trade off of. Alright. It's a little more messier. But you can see your VWAP. Negative SD1. Lots of good trades under it, so you know, here was a good, couldn't break that SD1. We came up almost to the 100, and then once we'd come back down through, good area to short. All right, let's keep it up. My goal for 2023 is to start trading options more. I'm going to set a time limit on my futures trading and then trade some options. Or if I get done, you know, in the first 30 minutes of futures trading, then start trading options. I'm doing the wheel strategy in my Roth, and then I have another account that I want to start doing these credit spreads in, put credits or call credits. All right, guys. If y'all got any questions, hit me up. Talk to y'all later. Bye.